Hey traders, we are back. And as usual, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly Forex forecast. Guys, from me and from all the We Trade Waves team, we wish you a happy new year and successful 2025. I really hope you had a great holiday and are ready to start 2025 with full of energy and positivity. With that, guys, as usual, we'll start with DXY, Euro dollar, Pound dollar, gold, US oil, Bitcoin, all the pairs that you can see to the right side of the screen, one by one, step by step. Now, all of you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end. I have few announcements for you today, and new features will be implemented as well. So anyway, this is our YouTube channel, subscribe, and let's get started with the XY as usual. This guy is the dollar index. It's the daily chart now because I wanted to start with this. It's very important for you to explain you what will be happening next for the dollar. Most of you remember from the previous forecast, if you remember, we explained what happened in 2016 after the US elections and what we're expecting next here after 2024 US elections. So for that, here we're having this upwave. I'm just repeating quickly here. We've got this upwave after the elections and markets started to fall despite Fed was rising interest rates by that time. Now here we are expecting Fed to cut interest rates, and again, based on all the fundamental analysis and the technical analysis, we are expecting dollar to fall. Now, this is the bigger picture. Before I forget, guys, remember, or as a reminder, we were planning to do the long-term session for all members last week. But due to a lot of emails from people who were on holiday, we will be doing the long-term session tomorrow, 5th of January at 12 p.m. UK time for WW Pro members. And during that long-term session, it will be conducted by T, who will cover the major trends, what pairs to focus on, what will be the next move for the Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, and cryptos. So a lot of things will be covered, guys, from the bigger trends, what market will be going next. We will give you the trades of the year, month, and year as well inside the long-term session. So T will cover for you all these pairs and the long-term session as well, the long-term trends, what to focus on, what pairs, and where the market will be going next in detail and for every single possibility and every single structure as well. It's very important. Again, it's for WW Pro members. Do not miss it. You will love it. A lot of things will be covered as well regarding the cryptocurrencies, what's regarding USDT, USDC, regarding this stock, what after the elections, the economy, so a lot of things. I will not actually explain about all of this here. Everything will be covered tomorrow. Again, the long-term session, guys, will be conducted tomorrow, 5th of January at 12 p.m. UK time for WW Pro members. Those of you who don't know how to get access to this one, this is our website. Quickly before I cover the DXY, this is our website here. Thanks a lot for all the feedbacks, by the way. You can join WW Pro here. You can check all the website anyway here. And once you join here, once you go to this section, this is the program and this is all what you will get. So read it. If you have any question, you can send us an email at info@tradwaves.com, or you can check the FAQs here under the pricing page. All right. Of course, once you join, you'll get access to the Masterclass. You will get access to the Discord community from day one. Everything is here anyway for you. This is the Discord community. Just to give you again another, or just a quick overview. This is the community that you will get access to. Our traders are on fire. They are actually participating on daily basis. And again, these are all the channels, okay? Two things have been added, which is this one, Coach's Thoughts, and the price alerts. These two channels will be explained by T tomorrow. We have added this one and this one. Again, WW Pro members, you will like it because it will be very important. T will explain you this one in detail tomorrow, what's inside this and what are the new features that will be implemented as well for WW Pro members at no additional cost, okay? So for that, these are the channels again that this is the session schedule, and you can see this is Sunday session, trades of the week. By the way, these are the two trades of the week that were covered last week by T. We have the silver to the upside, it's in profit, and we have the HSI as well, it should be in profit as well. So two trades of the week were covered. Again, we have the Sunday session, guys, every week for WW Pro members. We have the Wednesday update, it's a recorded session, and we have the daily sessions conducted by our seniors on a daily basis to check actually the charts, the setups, what's ready, what's not ready, if we have any change of structure. So everything is here. And also, these are the success stories. All members actually are succeeding on almost weekly basis. This is the success stories here. We have plenty on the website, on the social media platforms. And this is Nick. Congrats, Nick. This was the last one by Nick. He passed this one, I believe. Nick, he was doing good. Okay, so for this one, this actually overview what is happening, and we will be starting 2025, guys, with a full energy again, and a lot of things will be added. Again, more details will be covered tomorrow and by T during the long-term session. DXY for this one, what's next? This is the structure, guys, that we can see, by the way. We have this up wave, we have this corrective structure here. From here, just to explain you, from here to here is the corrective structure, and the market went to the upside all the way to 108. If you remember, we were calling 110 way before, 110 from here. Our members, if you remember that, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. Let other traders see that because it's important. So, market is about to hit 110, guys. So I'm expecting market to give us a corrective structure, want to push up before the next drop. This is what I can see the XY will be doing. The structure is ready to fall. Anytime the XY can fall. So if I need to give you an answer regarding the bias, regarding the setup, regarding the direction, I'll be looking only for the sell setups. Any buy setup, I might ignore it. If you are a scalper, you want to go for this buy, you can go for it, no problem. It will be the last wave and the short-term move. So any buy setup here, it will be short-term move. Of course, you can make a lot of money if you know how to trade it. And then after that, market will start to fall. This fall, where it will stop? What are the levels? To which level this can go? What is the next structure? Because we have a lot of structure here. All of this will be covered in detail by T tomorrow during the long-term session. Again, it's at 12 p.m. UK time for WW Pro members. To get access to it, join WW Pro to not miss it. So for this one, I hope this is clear. Corrective structure, one push up before the next drop. The structure for the XY is this, just to give you again, since we were not here since the past 2 weeks, let me give you more hints and more tips. This will be the regular flat here, up, corrective structure, and up. Alan, can this wave extend? Of course, because this is the C wave of the regular flat. So again, let me give you this explanation. You will understand it more, and it will be just additional tip or additional bonus for those of you who are actually watching us and following us on a weekly basis. So this wave, this trend is about to end. But at the same time, the C wave can be an ending structure, an ending diagonal, which means we can get a corrective structure here, up, corrective structure up before the next drop. So this will end up being an ending diagonal, contracting ending diagonal in the C wave before the next drop. And of course, the C wave will be here if this happens. All right? So if we have this C wave here, the C drop. So that's why for the XY, anytime I'll give us a sell setup above this top, specifically from 110, 110.5, we will go for the sell setup and we will see how far market will go. Again, I will not explain more. I think this is enough that we are focusing on the sell setups, short-term up, long-term swing trade to the downside. Euro dollar for this one, market actually as well is ready to push to the upside. We can get a corrective structure here. One more fall, market might tap the parity or just 50 pips above, 20 pips above, and then after that, market will push to the upside. Short-term, market can drop. Long-term, we will be looking for the buy setup, swing trade to the upside. If you want to sell this one, it's up to you. This is the 4 hours again. I'll be going to the 4 hours now. If we get a corrective structure similar to this one, here, like that, one more fall to break this low, 1.01, 1.009. In this zone, we will be looking for the buy setups. Okay, so anytime market will drop, any low will be the potential last low within this structure here before the next upwave. I hope this is clear. Okay, so for you dollar, I hope this is actually clear and you know what to do. If you want to sell this one, wait for a complete corrective structure before you sell it. And once you sell it, make sure to take profits under this low. I cannot be clear more than that, guys. All right. If this is clear, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. I would love to read all your comments, guys, and all your suggestions if you have any. Of course, this actually supporting us to be here every single week with you to give you the bias, to give you the direction, and to give you actually the moves. Pound dollar for this one, again, market is moving as expected, and I'm repeating. If you remember 110, give us a thumbs up. If you remember euro dollar to parity, we were actually forecasting this one. And also, if you remember, I'll remind you, I said to you previously, we're expecting pound dollar to go between this level and this level. Look at this. This is the buy zone for pound dollar. You should remember that, guys, because this was clear to us specifically. Pound dollar usually gives us running flats or expansions. Expansions means running flat or expanding flat for weighted waivers. All right. So usually pound dollar give expansions, which means we are expecting, or I'm expecting market to give us a corrective structure. One more drop. This is the buy zone for pound dollar for us. Okay. This is the buy zone. All right. So anytime market will touch this zone and you get a buy setup, you should go for it. So again, pound dollar corrective structure here, one more drop before the next up wave. If you want to sell this one, you can go for it, because if the XOIL pushes the upside, the images will be falling logically, and then after that, market will push to the upside. Pound dollar, guys, I'll be looking for the buy setups personally. Any sell setup I might ignore. You know that I like pound dollar, and there is a specific strategy or a special strategy that I like to trade for pound dollar. It actually got it all, I would say most of the times. So for this one, corrective structure, weighted average, you know what strategy I'm talking about. And if you want to learn it, if you are not WW Pro, join. You will learn everything from day one. You will get access to everything. Discord community, masterclass course, all the strategy examples and everything from day one. So if you don't want to miss or to waste more time and money, if you don't waste another year, make sure to invest in yourself. That's the best thing you can ever do. Don't believe me? Go to the Trustpilot profile and read what our members are saying. This is our website here, and this is our Trustpilot profile. You can see it here. If you click into this one, you go to our Trustpilot profile. Look how many actually feedbacks we have. Read what our members are saying. You will be actually, you will know what you will be getting once you join. Okay. So for pound dollar, corrective structure, like I said, drop and then up again. This is the trade and this is the move that we'll be focusing on. Of course, the structure can change, guys. So do not take this forecast and go start buying blindly, because if the structure will change, that's why we have the weekly forecasts. That's why we have the Wednesday update, and that's why we have the day live sessions with our seniors, because if the structure will change, we will spot it and we'll update you internally if you join. Gold, for this one, market actually is correcting. For this one, personally, I'll be looking now for the sell setups. This is a potential expanding flat, yes. And we've got this up wave. Some of our traders were in the buy. We've got this corrective structure and this up move. If you are in the buy, make sure to manage your trades and let the market unfold. What I can see now, this is a corrective structure. This is a complete corrective structure, which means gold can fall to break this low once more. Okay? Again, this is one possibility. The second possibility is a corrective structure here before the next up wave as a trend continuation trade. So first move is toward the downside. Once you get into the sell, or if you are in the sell, manage your trades and let the market unfold. We'll follow this one step by step, wave by wave, and we'll update you. So for now, gold is toward the downside, either to break this low or to give us a corrective structure before the next up wave. If the XY will go to the upside, this will be falling. And again, this structure can turn out to be an impulsive move to break this low before the next wave. All right, so for gold, I will not be looking for the buy setups here at the moment. I'll be looking only for the sell setups first. I hope this is clear, guys. Aussie dollar, this one anytime can start to push to the upside. Market will break this low with high probability chance here, this low. So we can get a corrective structure, a drop before the next up wave. Most of the traders who trade support and resistance or waiting for market to react before breaking this low, most probably they will be taking out under this low here, because we have a lot of liquidity. We have a liquidity pool under this low here, under this one, which means a corrective structure is very possible. One more drop to take everybody out, and then after that, market will start to push to the upside. This up wave, guys, will be coming. You should not miss it. Again, Aussie dollar is toward the upside. I cannot actually make it more clear than that. Even if this will give us a corrective structure drop, this is the wave and this is the move. You should not miss this move, because it will be something similar to this one to the upside. All right? New Zealand dollar, for this one, it's exactly the same. Again, we can get, market can go to the upside from here, guys, by the way, all right? The structure is ready. Structurally, market is ready to push to the upside. But what we are talking about is the way of the market makers framework and how the market will be basically performing. And based on our experience, we can see this as a corrective structure, one more fall before the next up wave. I'm repeating, market is ready to push to the upside. This trap is not needed for the structure. It might be just to take liquidity under this low and then push back up. Market can push to the upside exactly from here, and you should not miss the buy if market gives you a buy setup. For New Zealand dollar, if we get the buy setup, we will go for it. All right? So again, regarding the bias direction setup is a buy. Dollar yen, for this one, also this is actually giving us a buy signal, a buy setup. This an up wave, we've got a pullback, corrective structure here, another push up. Short-term move is an up wave, and after that, we'll update you. For now, dollar yen is toward the upside. Dollar Swiss, for this one, we'll be waiting for market to give us a corrective structure before the next up wave. Corrective structure, you guys, before one will push up to break this top and potentially this top and this top as well. So corrective structure similar to this one will be enough before the next up wave. Okay. Door cat for this one, market went to the upside. This was an extended move, and looks like market will give us a corrective structure here, just to give you the bigger picture. Corrective structure here for another push up. This up wave can break this top or not, it's not important, but we are in an uptrend here, and any pullback is a buy opportunity for this one. I'll be going to the 1 hour just to give you more hints and more tips. If we get here a corrective structure, this is a buy as a trend continuation trade. For WW Pro members, you know what I'm talking about, and you know where you put stop loss, where you put take profits, and how to maximize profits trading this up wave. Okay, so for that, again, I'm giving you guys hints and tips. Hopefully some of you will benefit from that. Okay, US oil, I'll be going back to the 4 hours for this one. If you remember, we said we are biased to the upside. All right, so after the elections, we said US oil is up. If you remember this, again, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. For this one, market went to the upside. After this one, we are expecting the market to give us a corrective structure for another push up. So what we'll be waiting for US oil is a corrective structure similar to this one first, before any next structure. Corrective structure here, and then one more push up before the next wave. Okay, Bitcoin, this was crazy. Guys, I really hope all of you, first of all, remember this protected low. Remember, actually, I will go from 50 all the way up to this move here. And from here, we were screaming, guys, buy, buy, buy. And from here, we said market will touch 108 before the next fall. If you remember this level, if you remember this forecast from my Saturday session or from the Sunday sessions as well, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. We were actually calling 108, guys, from here, and market touched 108, and we've got this drop. So 100% return on investment, ROI, from this move with the specific precise levels. And again, this is crazy. We're explaining this, guys, way before from here. If you remember this one, those of you who are following us since the past few months, you remember actually the explanation regarding this structure, right? So this is a copy of DAX. This was from one of the live sessions. I was actually, or Joshin, one of our moderators, was conducting it inside the TR session live without traders. So we jumped in, and we have actually seen the similarity of the structure between the DAX. This is DAX actually chart between DAX and between Bitcoin. It's not any correlation. It's about, guys, the structures. So once you understand wave analysis, once you understand the structures correctly, you'll be able to predict the next wave and be very accurate with what will happen next. That's why, guys, join us. Invest in yourself is the best investment you can ever make. Do not keep losing money. Imagine losing money month after month after month just because you don't want to invest in yourself and be with like-minded people. Again, if you think that actually investing in yourself is waste of money, that's something different. But again, the best thing you can ever do is to invest in yourself. Don't take my words for it. Again, guys, we are financial free. I'm making money from trading. I'm investing. I will not get into the details regarding this one, but what I'm just saying is your ultimate goal has to be, I want to become financially free. So financial freedom should be your ultimate goal. How to achieve that? From trading, you can achieve it. We have done that ourselves, okay? The proof is on the website, on the YouTube channel. And again, our lifestyle as well, you can see it actually from some of the reels as well, okay? So again, what I want to mention is, if you want to learn how to trade correctly, WeTradeWaves is your only solution. I cannot actually make it more clear than that. This is based on what our members are saying, joining us from other groups, joining us after losing millions of dollars, and joining us after losing account after account. If you want to skip this hassle, if you want the shortcut, the only shortcut for you to become financially free, or if you want to become an independent, successful trader, this is our goal, by the way. This is our vision. Look at this one, by the way. If I go to the website, this is our vision, our mission. All right. If you want to become a successful independent trader, join WeTradeWaves. If you don't like us, you can cancel anytime. But I just want you to invest in yourself and do not waste more time and money. Do not waste another year. All right. So for that, again, this was DXY. This is the DAX structure. And look at this. Market was breaking this one. It gave us 5-wave structure, and we've got this up wave here. All right. And after that, we've got a pullback, liquidity grab, and then up again. If I will go back to Bitcoin, it's exactly the same thing. Because why this is actually exactly the same? It's like there's no relation, no correlation between DAX and Bitcoin. But market participants will always behave the same way. Market participants are market makers, retail traders, every single one who is involving in the any transaction, action or plan will be plotted on the charts. So that's why if you know how to read the charts correctly, this is the reality. How to read that, how to learn this by joining WW Pro. Everything is for you in one single solution. Do not waste this opportunity, guys. It's for you again. So for this one, again, market broke this top here. We've got 5 waves corrective strike, as you can see. We have this protected low and we have this up wave. And we have said here 108 is actually where we will see market giving us the reaction level. Any proof for that? Of course, you can go to our YouTube channel here, just to again mention that. You can go to this last forecast here, and this is Bitcoin, I believe. Yes, this is Bitcoin. So here, from here, we said market will go to 108 and then we'll get the drop. If you want, you can actually go to our Instagram page as well. Here you can go to the Reels. This is Weighted Waves, 6.2k followers. You can scroll down all the way to this reel. This was the reel, actually, our team members were posting it. This is the Bitcoin. Look at this one, okay? So you can watch this one. You can see it. We have mentioned 108 on Saturday session and, of course, during the Sunday sessions as well. So crazy accuracy, 100% ROI. This is for cryptocurrency. Weighted waves analysis concept works on every single tradable assets. Again, the accuracy and the proof is in front of all of you. So perfect. What's next for Bitcoin? For this one, market will be going to the upside. So I'm expecting market to push up first. Right? After this up wave, we'll update you. But for now, it's up. If they want to actually keep the trend to the upside, market can go up to break this top and keep trending to the upside from here. But this wave, it can extend to give us a bigger structure, take liquidity under these lows, and then up again. All right? So in all the cases, we are still expecting Bitcoin to push up. It's still an uptrend, and cryptocurrency will keep pushing the upside, of course, after some structures that will explain during the long-term session tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. US30 for this one, market actually giving us a pullback. It's absolutely an uptrend here. There's no question. Any pullback is a buy opportunity, especially with, I would say, Trump gets elected and will be actually in the office in a few days. So for this one, I believe the US stock market or the stock market will push to the upside. All right. So for that, US30, it might give us just a corrective structure and then up again. Any pullback is a buy opportunity. Let's put it in this way without any more explanation. Any pullback is a buy opportunity. Of course, they can manipulate the market for any sudden drop, but if you are an investor, this will not bother you. It will be an opportunity to actually go for more longs. Okay, so for that, we're expecting US30 to push to the upside. And after that, maybe one more drop before the next up move. This is the structure that market can give us for US30. Guys, with that note, I really hope you had, again, a great holiday. I wish you a successful 2025. And Weighted Waves members, get ready, guys. 2025 will be crazy. A lot of things will be added. Like I said, we'll have stock session, we'll have stocks and investment session, crypto session as well. Again, most of the details will be explained by T tomorrow. During the long-term session, do not miss it. We'll give you the trades of the year, month, and week as well, along with all the trends that 2025 will give us. Thank you very much, guys. I see all of you next Saturday. Bye-bye.